Hey guys, welcome to Super Tech. Today we are back with another unboxing video. This time it is the Samsung Galaxy M31s. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So let's see the quick unboxing of Samsung Galaxy M31s. This is the Samsung Galaxy M31s.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah.
This is the C2C type cable, the first content of our box.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
And this is the super fast charger of 25 watts.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
And here we are showing the manual guide and the pen. Samsung has recently launched its Galaxy M31s, which comes with AMOLED display and an Infinity Gold display. It has a battery life of 6000 mAh and the unique feature is the fingerprint scanner is mounted on the side with the volume buttons, which makes it convenient as well as unique. This is the SIM card tray for 2 SIMs and a memory card.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll
This is a quick demo for you all to see the screen quality of the phone.
And on we'll go.
Here we come to the features of the phone. That's it for today. See you next time.